The Citroën C5 III, produced from 2007 to 2017, features both cruise control and a speed limiter. Cruise control maintains a set speed above 19 miles per hour, or 30 kilometers per hour, without needing to press the accelerator pedal. The speed limiter prevents you from exceeding a chosen speed, adding an extra layer of safety. Both systems enhance driving comfort and safety, particularly on highways. First, ensure you're driving above 19 miles per hour, which is about 30 kilometers per hour. Cruise control requires this minimum speed to engage. Next, press the cruise button on the steering wheel, which is usually located on the left spoke. Now accelerate to your desired cruising speed. Reach this speed before proceeding to the next step. Finally, press the SET button to increase speed or SET to decrease it, locking in your desired cruising speed. A green cruise control indicator will light up on the dashboard, confirming that cruise control is now set and active. There are several ways to disengage cruise control. First, briefly tap the brake pedal. This automatically disengages the cruise control. Second, press the cruise off or off button on the steering wheel. Any of these methods will disengage the cruise control, and you'll need to re-engage it as described in the previous steps to use it again. To activate the speed limiter in your Citroën C5 III, locate the Limit button on the steering wheel and press it. This enables the speed limiter function. Once activated, use the SET Plus button to increase your desired maximum speed or SET to decrease it. The system will remember your set speed limit. The speed limiter will prevent your vehicle from going faster than the set speed. To turn it off, simply press the Limit button again. When cruise control isn't working on your Citroën C5 III, start by checking if the vehicle's speed is above the minimum threshold of around 30 kilometers per hour. The system requires this speed to engage properly. Next, inspect the dashboard for any warning lights, particularly the Electronic Stability Program or ESP indicator. If this light is illuminated, it could prevent cruise control from activating due to a stability system issue. A faulty sensor or wiring problem might also be causing the issue. These components are crucial for the cruise control system to function correctly and may need professional inspection. For more detailed diagnostics, consider using an OBD2 scanner such as Torque Pro. This tool connects to your vehicle's port and can read error codes related to the cruise control system, helping identify the root cause. Cruise control is not suitable for urban driving environments. City streets involve frequent stops, traffic signals, and pedestrians that require constant driver attention and quick responses. Cruise control should never be used in adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, or ice. Slippery roads can cause loss of traction, and the system cannot respond to sudden changes in grip or visibility. In snowy or icy conditions, the risk of skidding or losing control is greatly increased. Cruise control maintains speed regardless of traction, making it dangerous in these situations. Even with cruise control engaged, you must always remain alert and prepared to take manual control. The system cannot detect all hazards or make driving decisions for you. Always be ready to manually disengage cruise control. This can be done by briefly pressing the brake pedal or pressing the cruise off button on the steering wheel. Particularly important on downhill slopes, where gravity pulls the vehicle faster than the set cruise speed. Cruise control cannot counteract this gravitational force and may allow dangerous speeding. Always disengage manually in these situations. For improved safety, consider vehicles with modern adaptive cruise control that can automatically adjust speed based on traffic and road conditions, unlike the fixed speed system in older models. Fixed speed cruise control in vehicles like the C5 III is becoming outdated as automotive technology evolves. Newer vehicles increasingly feature adaptive cruise control, which automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe following distance from other cars. This advanced system uses sensors to detect traffic ahead and respond in real time, reducing driver fatigue and improving safety. Some Citroën C5 III owners have even retrofitted adaptive cruise control systems, transforming their older vehicles with modern technology. Experts advise against over-reliance on cruise control. Experts advise against over-reliance on cruise control. Always disable it in complex driving situations. Regular maintenance, including ECU checks, is essential for reliable operation. Remember, cruise control is a tool to enhance driving, not replace driver awareness.